See, countries like Nepal, Maldives, and Sri Lanka, these countries always have this dilemma of if at all they are more dependent on China, it may affect relations with India. And if we are closer to India, it affects relations with China. So, can you compare how Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Maldives balanced the relation between India and China? And according to you, which country is really able to balance very well? And what is your suggestion regarding this? I want your suggestion regarding this.
Sir, firstly, regarding Maldives, I would say, sir, because of the nature of the governments that are there in Maldives, a particular government is completely pro-China and another government is completely pro-India. So there have been alternative periods of pro-China, pro-India narrative that has been going on in Maldives. And I think that Maldives has not been really good in balancing both of relations with both of the countries. And coming to Nepal, sir, while Nepal has been a good, has had good relations with India, I believe from the past few years, especially because of the border issues that are going on with respect to Limpiadura and Kalapani areas, I believe Nepal has been inching closer towards China. And it is even relevant in the maps that it has been releasing and various other things that it has been doing. And regarding Sri Lanka, sir, I think Sri Lanka has been best among the three, if I would have to say, because Sri Lanka has not taken any explicit positions with regard to its over-reliance on any one of the countries. And it also it is unfortunate that Sri Lanka has gone into debt trap situation because of China, because of development of Hambantota boat and others. However, sir, I believe Sri Lanka has explicitly stated that it wants good relations with both of the countries, and it has never taken any explicit stand like Maldives, like it is doing with India Out campaign, or even Nepal, about its excessive inclination towards one country. Sir, as far as suggestions are concerned, for India, sir, I think the question is for India. What should India do?
Yes.
So, firstly, I believe India has not have been doing knee-jerk reactions. So, for instance, even with what has happened with Maldives, India has been continuing with its aid and has adopted a pragmatic policy. It has not been taking knee-jerk reactions because it knows that India needs support of these neighbors in order to assert itself regionally and even globally. So India has to continue giving aid to these countries that it has been doing and also complete projects on a time basis. Because if we promise more and deliver less, then definitely that is going to disillusion these countries. So I think India has to work on that front. And secondly, sir, I think more intra-regional trade and intra-regional integration has to be focused upon. There are enough multilateral platforms. For instance, there is SAARC, there is BIMSTEC. These multilateral organizations have to be utilized to their fullest potential, and they have to be effectively integrated so that India can very well become a good neighbor for these countries.
Okay.